Outdoor motion sensor lights are a pivotal layer of home security, perimeter safety, and energy-efficient illumination. They combine passive infrared or PIR sensing, wide-angle coverage, and reliable light output to deter intruders, illuminate entryways, and guide guests or deliveries at night. Product number 1. Tough Enough Solar Outdoor Lights, 2500 LM, 210 LED security lights with remote control. This 2-pack delivers 2500 LM per unit with 210 LEDs, a 270-degree horizontal spread, IP65 waterproofing, and wireless remote control across 3 modes: strong sensor, dim sensor, and strong long light. The 2-pack approach targets larger entryways or longer facades, with the recommended mounting height of 6.5 to 8 feet for optimal sensor performance. The package emphasizes remote operation, which can simplify setup and adjustments without climbing ladders repeatedly. Performance-wise, the lights balance brightness and reliability, aided by a high-efficiency solar panel and a 2,000 mAh battery per unit. The 26-foot sensing distance and 270-degree illumination are competitive in the class, and the 3-mode remote control adds versatility for different seasons and usage patterns. Product number 1. AOTech New Solar Motion Sensor Lights 120 LEDs with Lights Reflector. This 6-pack of compact 120 LED step lights leverages a 270-degree beam and IP65 protection for versatile outdoor mounting. Although marketed as step lights, their large array and wide angle make them suitable as low-profile perimeter lighting or pathway accents. The unit emphasizes 3 modes: motion sensor, permanent on, smart brightness control, and a rechargeable lithium-ion battery with a compact footprint designed for quick deployments along walls or steps. In practice, these lights offer reliable motion activation within an approximate 26 feet range and provide a consistent white light. The combination of a high-efficiency solar panel and 20.5% conversion rate supports longer operation in sunny conditions. The compact form factor makes edge installations easier. Product number 3. 2500 LM Solar Lights Outdoor with Motion Sensor. A 2-pack of non-remote, 3-head solar floodlights, delivering 2500 LM per unit with 270-degree coverage. The adjustable left-right heads and independent panels allow flexible aiming for driveways or yards. The design emphasizes a very wide illumination angle, high brightness, and a long sensing range up to 40 feet, benefiting large outdoor spaces where traditional wall-mounted lighting would be insufficient. Performance-wise, these lights leverage a high-capacity lithium-ion battery with long run times and robust weatherproofing. The 355-degree total lighting angle, adjustable heads plus panel, enables front yard coverage without gaps, which is particularly advantageous for open spaces. Product number 4. HM City 120 LED Outdoor Solar Lights with Motion Sensor. This 6-pack provides 120 LEDs per unit with a daylight white hue and IP65 protection. The lights emphasize automation through a push-button control with 3 modes, including a mode that uses motion sensing while maintaining a steady baseline. The monocrystalline panel promises efficient charging, and the ABS body is designed for durability in varied weather conditions. Performance-wise, HM City focuses on reliable sensor activation and a balance between brightness and energy savings. The 960 LM per unit output is solid for boundary lighting, walkways, and entryways, while the 30% panel efficiency supports charging in moderate sun. A potential drawback is the front button control, which may require more frequent manual interaction to switch modes or reconfigure after hardware installations. Product number 5. Globe Electric 17000269 110-degree 240W twin-head white hardwired motion sensing security floodlight. Unlike the other solar-labeled products, Globe Electric's option is a hardwired floodlight with dual PAR 38 style bulbs, requiring separate bulbs up to 240W total. It features motion sensing with adjustable detection range and is designed for robust perimeter security. This unit is a different category in terms of power source and maintenance, offering strong, continuous illumination when wired directly to home electricity. Performance-wise, the dual-head design provides flexible aiming and a broad detection coverage up to 60 feet with a 110-degree detection zone. While the product line relies on compatible incandescent or LED bulbs, it does require ongoing bulb management and electrical wiring, which can complicate installation for DIYers.